Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice channel, where learning English is fun, practical, and a little bit powerful.
And sometimes a little bit dramatic, Anna.
A little dramatic is good. It keeps life interesting. Hi, everyone. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode is special. It's powerful. It's life-changing.
Wow, no pressure at all.
No pressure. But seriously, today we're talking about something that can truly change your life.
Yes, today's topic is the power of discipline.
Dun dun dun!
Discipline sounds serious. It sounds strict. It sounds like a teacher with glasses saying, "Sit up straight."
Or your alarm clock at 5 a.m.
Oh no, not the 5 a.m. alarm.
Don't worry, we are not here to scare you. We are here to help you. We are here to show you that discipline is not about punishment. It's about freedom.
That's a beautiful sentence. Let's repeat it for our English learners. Discipline is not about punishment. It's about freedom.
Yes, when you are disciplined, you are in control. You are the boss.
The boss of what?
The boss of your own brain.
Ooh, that sounds powerful. Today, you will learn how to become the boss of your own brain.
And we will teach you 4 big ideas. First, how to use the 5-minute rule to start any task.
Second, secrets to becoming the boss of your own brain.
Third, why finding your why is the key to motivation.
And fourth, why rest is a vital part of staying disciplined.
So stay with us. Grab your notebook, grab your coffee, and let's begin.
Let's start with a question, Anna. What is discipline?
Great question. Discipline is the ability to do what you need to do, even when you don't feel like doing it.
Let's repeat that. Discipline is doing what you need to do even when you don't feel like doing it.
Exactly. For example, you want to improve your English, but you feel lazy. You want to watch videos, you want to scroll on your phone.
You want to lie on your bed and say, "I'll study tomorrow."
Ah, yes, tomorrow, the most popular day in the world.
I love that. Tomorrow is always busy.
But discipline says no. I will study for 20 minutes today.
So discipline is action. It's small action, consistent action.
Yes, discipline is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent.
That's another great phrase. Not perfect, but consistent.
Let's explain the word consistent. Consistent means doing something regularly, again and again.
For example, if you practice English every day for 15 minutes, you are consistent.
Even if it's only 15 minutes.
Especially if it's only 15 minutes.
Now let's talk about the first powerful tool, the 5-minute rule.
I love this rule because it's simple, and simple is powerful.
The 5-minute rule means this. When you don't feel like starting something, tell yourself, I will do it for just 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes, not 1 hour, not 3 hours, 5 minutes.
For example, you don't want to exercise. You feel tired. You feel lazy. You say, okay, I will exercise for 5 minutes.
You don't want to study grammar? You say, I will study grammar for 5 minutes.
You don't want to clean your room. You say, I will clean for 5 minutes.
And here's the secret. Usually after 5 minutes, you continue.
Yes, because starting is the hardest part.
Let's repeat that for learning. Starting is the hardest part.
Our brain loves comfort. Our brain loves easy things.
Our brain says, stay on the sofa. It's warm here.
But when you start, something changes. You build momentum.
Momentum means energy that continues.
Exactly. Like pushing a car. The first push is hard, but once it's moving, it's easier.
Let's do a mini role play.
Okay,
I am lazy David. I don't want to study English.
this will be very realistic.
Hey,
Okay, start.
I don't feel like studying. I'm tired. My bed is calling me.
David, just study for 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's nothing.
Exactly, just 5 minutes. Set a timer.
Okay, 5 minutes.
5 minutes later,
Actually, I'm already studying. I might continue.
and that is the magic.
So, learners, remember this phrase, just 5 minutes.
Say it with us, just 5 minutes.
When you feel lazy, say just 5 minutes.
This trick helps you become the boss of your brain.
Ah, yes, let's talk about that. Becoming the boss of your own brain.
Your brain has 2 voices. Voice number 1, the comfortable voice.
Sleep more, eat more cake, watch one more video.
Voice number 2, the strong voice.
Study now, move your body, do what matters.
Discipline is choosing the strong voice.
Yes, it's not about not feeling lazy, it's about acting even when you feel lazy.
That's important. Many people think disciplined people feel motivated all the time. No, disciplined people feel lazy too.
They just act anyway.
Let's teach a useful expression. Act anyway.
For example, I feel tired, but I will act anyway.
I feel scared, but I will act anyway.
That's powerful English and powerful life advice.
Now let's move to the third big idea, finding your why.
I love this one. Your why is your reason.
Why do you want to learn English?
Why do you want to be healthy?
Why do you want to save money?
If your why is weak, your discipline will be weak.
But if your why is strong, your discipline becomes strong.
Let's give an example. Someone says, I want to learn English.
That's nice, but why?
Because it's useful.
That's okay, but not very strong.
Now listen to this. I want to learn English so I can get a better job and support my family.
That's emotional. That's powerful.
When you feel lazy, you remember your family. You remember your dream.
That's your why.
Let's practice the question. Ask yourself, why?
Why do I want this?
Why does this matter to me?
Write it down. That's another tip. Write your why on paper.
And put it somewhere you can see it.
On your wall, on your phone, on your desk.
Because when you see your why, you remember your purpose.
Let's do another mini role play.
Okay.
I am a student who wants to improve English.
And I am the coach.
I don't feel like studying today.
Why are you learning English?
Because I want to travel.
Why do you want to travel?
Because I want to see the world and feel confident.
So when you study today, you are moving closer to confidence.
Oh, that feels different.
Exactly. Your why gives meaning to your action.
Discipline without meaning feels heavy.
Discipline with meaning feels powerful.
Now let's talk about something surprising.
Rest?
Yes, rest is part of discipline.
Many people think discipline means work, 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 no sleep.
But that is not healthy. That is not smart.
If you don't rest, your energy goes down.
And when your energy goes down, your discipline goes down.
So rest is not lazy.
Rest is preparation.
Repeat that. Rest is preparation.
For example, if you sleep well, you think better.
If you think better, you make better decisions.
If you make better decisions, you stay disciplined.
So sleep is powerful.
Let's give practical advice. Try to have a regular sleep schedule.
Go to bed at the same time.
Wake up at the same time.
And give yourself short breaks when studying.
Study for 25 minutes. Rest for 5 minutes.
That's a simple and effective system.
Also, don't punish yourself.
That's important.
If you miss one day, don't say, I'm terrible, I'm lazy.
Instead, say, okay, I will start again.
That is discipline too, starting again.
I love that phrase, starting again.
Because life is not perfect.
Discipline is not about never falling.
It's about getting up again and again.
That's a great motivational sentence.
Thank you.
Let's review everything for our learners.
Yes, review time.
Number 1, use the 5-minute rule.
When you don't want to start, say, just 5 minutes.
Starting is the hardest part.
But once you start, momentum helps you continue.
Number 2, become the boss of your brain.
Choose the strong voice, not the comfortable voice.
Act anyway.
Even when you feel lazy.
Number 3, find your why.
Ask yourself, why does this matter?
Write your why and remember it.
A strong why creates strong discipline.
Number 4, rest is vital.
Rest is not lazy. Rest is preparation.
Sleep well, take breaks, be kind to yourself.
Discipline is not punishment.
Discipline is freedom.
Let's repeat that together one more time.
Discipline is not punishment.
It is freedom.
When you are disciplined, you control your time.
You control your habits.
You control your future.
And that is powerful.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Do you have a trick to stay disciplined when you feel lazy?
Maybe you use the 5-minute rule.
Maybe you listen to music.
Maybe you remember your why.
Tell us in the comments, I can do it.
Yes, right? I can do it.
Practice your English with our community.
And encourage each other.
Because discipline is easier when we support each other.
You are not alone.
You are strong.
You are capable.
And you can do it.
Say it with us.
I can do it.
I can do it.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing.
Keep growing.
And remember,
Just 5 minutes.
see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.